Now is restarting again to work, to go back to the normal life. No more parties, right? No more parties now. It's done. The parties is done. January 4 today. Wow. You up early, flower girl? Yes, because I prepare for. I need. I need to get up early. Next son. I need to get up early because me and my family will go to will go to the beach early. I will do live stream there uh, because also actually I will continue my stream there because what I can say, because I will bring my Starlink, okay?